Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say Sunday, the day of the week. In French, how do you pronounce this word? In France, it is said as dimanche, 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 yes, that specific A-N together sound, en, man, che, dimanche. Pretty straightforward once you know dimanche, or you can say it as dimanche, dimanche from French, dimanche. And now you know more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French vocabulary, useful words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious, more days of the week as well, so you know them all. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.